Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. You are going to perform a review workshop. As you can see, this workshop has all the topics we already saw along this fourth term. You have here operations, basic operations of algebraic expressions, properties of exponentiation, multiplication of polynomials, equations, and equations. So I hope you like it. It's not that hard. Indeed, it's very easy. It's like super easy. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Blah 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 blah. Remember to follow me at my social media. You can find me at @nicolasdenazaret.com. And I kind of wish you good luck, but you're not going to need it. The only thing you're going to need is your notebook. If you have your notebook, you have it all. So see you in another video and bye bye.